In my career, I've used other CAD software, which has probably been 4 times the price, more complicated. So Solidworks is better package. Our industry, retail display, is fast-paced. Clients want things yesterday, so we have to turn things around quickly, working on multiple projects at the same time. So Solidworks gives us that speed to market. I'm Simon Kingston. I am the Design Engineering Director at HH Global. HH Global was founded in 1991. Started off as a print business, but over the years has expanded globally. We work with the world's leading brands, Coca-Cola, Google, Lego, electronic brands like Garmin, Samsung, Amazon, Meta. We have 4,500 staff in 61 countries globally. Solidworks has been in the business for over 10 years now. We use Solidworks Premium and for our design and creation, and PDM for the management side. And as we've needed to switch designs between these studios globally, PDM has been instrumental in that. Solidworks is the brand leader. It's similar to Adobe in the creative industry. It's easy to use, easy to pick up. It's used in universities, so graduates come out of university being able to use it.
We utilise it from the initial design stage, so we'll create quick models that we'll be able to provide to our clients just to realise the idea. And then we'll move through into more kind of refined drawings and models in order to then move that into a more production standpoint. So some of the things that I really like about Solidworks is the fact that it has the power of the configurations. And I feel that with configurations, it means that a part can be changed very quickly alongside the assembly model. And it means that we can sort of quickly change and reduce sizes and not have to keep coming in and out of different modelling groups. So it means that if there's a family of parts or family of units, we can quickly adapt those. It's got a vast array of tools. We work in sheet material quite often, so the sheet metal functionality on there is fantastic. That can be applied to sheet plastic as well. Injection moulding, vac forming, we do that as well, and it has all the tools for that.
One of the projects I've recently been working on is reproducing the Lego minifigure, which is basically a scaled up version of the exact figure. Surfaces in Solidworks gives you the opportunity to create a more organic sort of feel rather than just your standard extrudes. So things like the minifigure, for example, involves quite a lot of organic shaping.
So another aspect of Solidworks I really like is at sort of more the back end is the pack and go feature of Solidworks. I think that's a great feature that means that we can quickly tidy up and tie up all the drawings, the models, and send them over to our suppliers.
I would highly recommend Solidworks to any engineer in any industry. It's versatile, it's got loads of tools on there that help you work in multiple materials, multiple manufacturing methods, and their outputs are vast as well, helping other departments, supply teams, manufacturers directly. It's a great tool.